Okay, so you want to learn how to practice sales calls using AI. Now, this is a great platform if you are a sales manager, you're managing a lot of the sales team, or if you just want to practice sales calls using AI, this is a great platform for that too. So essentially, this platform gives you a way to upload your call recordings. And based on your call recordings, you get the AI to kind of rate your call recordings. But that's not one thing that this does. It also does an AI role play. So in this case, what you can do is you can create a new prospect based on your, let's say, prospect that you will talk to in real life, right? Or maybe on a meet or whatever. And you can plug their website right here. So you can clone the website from the company URL, and then you will get a virtual prospect you can talk to. So essentially how that works is you go to AI Roleplay, you create a prospect right here. You have manual setup or AI Assistant. I usually do AI Assistant. AI Assistant will tell you about your sales scenario, or it will ask you about your sales scenario, and the AI assistant will create a realistic prospect to practice with. So essentially it will say, what are you selling? Who's your ideal buyer? Stuff like that. You can also do B2B or B2C. And then in this case, we have this Marcus Delgado guy. He is doing outreach for his agency, but he wants a better system for his agency. So we created this, and then we can start a session here, and we can do the standard training or objection handling, which is quite good. So for example, if we want to test or if we want to train objection handling, we can go here to objection handling. If we want a standard training, like a standard call from A to Z, then we can do that right here. Here you can see more about Marcus, just so you can kind of prepare before the AI sales role play. So once you have this, you can kind of go, okay, Marcus wants to scale outreach volume from to 800 to 1.2K touches per week without hiring a dedicated SDR. Okay, so that's what he wants to do. We can start a training here, and let me show you how this works here. So we start a training, and this is how it looks like. Here is going to be transcription. This is going to be your just sales training window, and then here you're going to see yourself. So let's just start here. Okay,
Hello.
I'll just remove the...
Yeah, go ahead. I'm here.
Okay, I'll just remove, I just muted myself, but this is how it looks like. And essentially here you can see the signal. This is just your internet and like internet connection. And then here pacing is, you can also adjust the pacing if you want. So in this case, let's just start and let me kind of show you the demo of it. Hey, Marcus, I saw that you scheduled a call regarding your outreach system. Where are you calling from?
I'm in Austin. Look, I scheduled this because our outreach process it's eating up time we don't have. But before we go down some rabbit hole, what exactly are we talking about here? What's your angle?
Yeah, I just want to know more about like your business and what you're currently doing with outreach that it's eating up your time.
Okay, so we're a 14-person agency. We do brand strategy and campaign work for mid-market B2B clients. Right now, we're manually managing outreach. Like, my team is literally copying and pasting templates, tracking responses in a spreadsheet, following up by hand. It works, but yeah, it's inefficient. The thing is, I'm not looking to overhaul everything just to move faster. We've got a solid process. I just need something that doesn't require me to babysit it constantly.
Okay, I understand. Well, right now with your outreach system, how many leads are you getting per month?
Depends on the month. We're pulling maybe 200 to 300 qualified leads a month, but honestly, the bottleneck isn't the volume. It's the follow-up. We get the initial list, reach out, and then half my team is stuck in email chains instead of doing actual strategy work. That's the real problem. Not how many leads we're getting. It's what we do with them once we have them.
Okay, got it. So what do you think if you had a good follow-up system in place, how many leads would you be getting per month?
I don't know, man. That's kind of a loaded question. If we had better follow-up, yeah, maybe we'd convert more of those 200 to 300. But I'm not trying to chase vanity metrics. I care about qualified deals that actually close. What I really need is my team spending less time on admin work so they can focus on strategy and relationship building. That's where the real...
So as you can see, it's pretty harsh, right? It can challenge you quite a lot. So that's exactly what you want to do with Kendo. Kendo is really great for that. So if you want to practice sales calls using AI, Kendo is great. You also get 63 minutes, which is quite good if you use our link below. But yeah, you also have your team, so you can manage your team. Let's say you are a sales manager, you can manage your team right here. You can add team members. But overall, this is essentially how you can practice sales calls using AI. I think it's a really, really good way to kind of go and, use Kendo AI for this. I tried it myself. It's quite good. So yeah, if you want to try it yourself, you have a link below. And also, if you have any questions about this or comments, make sure to comment below and we'll see you in the next video.